Next, we're going to talk about when two triangles are similar, their corresponding altitudes, angle bisectors, and medians are proportional to their corresponding sides. So we'll start off with angle bisectors. So with our angle bisectors, that was funny looking. If two triangles are similar, so we already know that they're similar, so this information has to be true, that those two are similar, then the lengths of their angle bisectors, so they're angle bisectors that are in the same places on the two shapes. So our angle bisectors here are LP and RT, are proportional to the lengths of a corresponding set of sides. So for example, here we talk about LP and RT. LP and RT are angle bisectors. So we're setting this up as angle bisector over angle bisector. And we're going to set those equal to a set of sides that are corresponding or in the same position. And for this one, we are going to pick sides LM and sides RS. So those are in the same position, just kind of like our corresponding angles. They're in the same position between the two triangles. So we have side over side. So that's very important here. So we have LM and over RS and LP over RT. Those are our two angle bisectors. So we have to make sure that we line them up properly and that they are in the same place. So let's look at an example with this thought. So I'm going to keep this so I can kind of see. So in example 1, we have our two triangles that are similar. It tells us that they're similar here in our given information with our angle bisectors as shown. And we're trying to find the side length of X. So remember, we're going to do angle bisector over angle bisector. So that's BD and YW. So we're going to set it up as BD over YW. And the corresponding sides that are going to go together is AB and XY. So it's going to be equal to AB over XY. So bisector over bisector, side over side. So let's replace it with the information from our problem. So we have 10 over 8, and that's going to be equal to 24 over X. And in order to solve, we are going to cross multiply. So 10 times X gives us 10X, and 24 times 8 is 192. So when we divide by 10, X is going to be equal to 9.2. So it doesn't come out to be a perfect number, but it's not a crazy ugly decimal. Let's look at a second example. So if we have our angle bisectors, we're going to say AP is going to go with FQ, and those are going to be set equal to AB and FD. So we plug in our pieces of information. So we plug in our pieces of information. So AP was X over FQ, which was 8. And we are going to set that equal to AB, which was 15. over FD, which was 12. And we will cross multiply. So we have 12x equals 8 times 15 is 120. And when we divide by 12, we get x is equal to 10.